going to be the diner to go for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. We're going to get started for you.
I'd like a Slim's meal.
Slim's meal for your 2 dipping sauce. What would you like? You're right here if it's a better view.
Honey mustard and honey barbecue.
Honey mustard and honey barbecue. Perfect. And the regular drink or large drink for you today?
Regular.
Yes, ma'am. And what else can I do?
That's it. But
Fries okay with that? We have mac and cheese, coleslaw, potato salad.
potato salad.
Potato salad, yes, ma'am. And what else for you?
That's it.
Alright, it's going to be $11.72 for you. Here's the receipt for you. At the very bottom, there's a survey I'd like for you to check out. Just ask you how we did. You get a free brownie in return.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you. What happened?
He's gonna be a little late. He's like,
Alrighty, ma'am.
Thank you.
And I can get you a silverware as well. Should I get a salt, pepper? Sorry.
That's fine.